Parker, I'm gonna need you to tell the people that Hall of Famers throw purples too, okay?
Yeah.
It's not just us two-handers that don't know how to bowl.
Yeah, but you get the purple shape up through the pins a little bit more effectively than I do.
It looks way better when you do it.
I'm gonna jump on that campaign right now.
Yeah, I'm begging for it, so what, okay? Everyone can have 5-baggers like this. I gotta earn mine. Alright guys, after 2, I'm not bowling very good, and my dad complained that he got up at 6 a.m. to come watch me bowl. Pretty much he's telling me to step it up and dial it in, so we're dialing it in. Bowlers, am I right? They're complaining and he's averaging 250. I know that you're like leading the tournament and beating me, but I think you can stop being a left-hander and get out of the purple.
One more shot, one more shot.
Okay. Go ahead and say it.
Keven was right.
I just want to see my friends succeed. You know, I'll ball rip them, it's fine. I might be switching from Team Purple to Team Red, okay? So, because the last 2 events that I've thrown it looks better in the purple. So, Team Red? Who's on Team Red with the Bohn?
ones always carry.
What did I just witness, dude? If you guys don't know, which you don't know, this is Boog's like first appearance on the channel. That's a typical Boog thing to do. He just throws it wherever and they all fall. It's a magic trick. Old Boog, I was gonna catch him. Two pins at a time, but I will catch him. Gain ground, that's all I know. How much am I down to you?
50, 49.
So 49, 2 pins a game. Nope, can't get there after qualifying.
Ball just stopped for no reason.
No reason? That's called
Yeah.
touch, baby.
Touch?
Touch.
Fake.
Alright guys, I don't think I bowled very good. I missed some spares, don't do that very often. Yeah, I know, teammate bagger. I missed 3 spares last game for 2 teams, but we led this squad. Good position going into tomorrow. I'm hungry, I'm tired. See you tomorrow. Look who's here.
Hi.
The leader. I led my squad, but he led all the squads.
All of them. All 2 of them.
I mean, the leader is the leader. We're bowling Casters round this morning. I get to cross with Nick.
2 Kevins.
Dude, I'm the second best Kevin in this field.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
All I'm saying is this. I'm coming for you guys, all right?
1 pin at a time.
I'm coming for you guys. 279 to 278. Here I come. It's my time. I just bowled the best 180 I've ever bowled in my life. Strike, pocket 710, 7 pin, strike, 7 pin, 7 pin, 7 pin, strike, smash 8, 180. Bowling is the worst sometimes. Games of match play coming up. Nick is running away with it. He's bowling sick. I might have a hard time keeping up with these right-handers, so I'm gonna need a big 4 games of match play to try to stay in the ladder, or not even stay in. I fell out because everybody's shooting 270 and I'm just shooting 2-0. So let's grind.
It's gonna be tight.
It is gonna be tight. Yeah.
Fourth.
Well, I want to be in by a lot. Damn it.
You're gonna be 4th by 7.
And I had a 100-pin lead to start today. Darn it. If I'm gonna make a run and keep up with these righties, this is why. Just, there we go. That's all I need. I couldn't do it, couldn't keep up with the right-handers, but I gave it a go. We finished 5th, so we just missed the ladder. That's it. Again, I end every vlog by saying I'm exhausted, so maybe I need to work on my stamina a little bit, but that sounds terrible. Yeah, we'll be seeing you. The right is walled. It's always true, always will be true.
We kicking it like FIFA, yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever. Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna last forever.